Hello everyone. There's an old saying that goes, habits formed at age 3 stay with you to age 80. This means that psychological habits formed during childhood and adolescence are with us for life. Children and adolescents have the right to be safe and have the right to form healthy psychological habits. What does the future hold for children and adolescents if healthy psychological habits are not formed and dependency habits are formed? Dependency is the habit of relying on the words and actions of others. Children and adolescents who have developed habits of dependency are likely to follow the words and actions of others. They may grow up to be good children who listen to their parents, teachers, and other adults. They don't have confidence in their own words and actions, so they tolerate by following others rather than asserting themselves. Children and adolescents develop dependency when their caregivers are overprotective, coercive, controlling, and interfering. Children and adolescents form healthy psychological habits through trial and error by solving problems and recovering from them on their own. However, if they lose the right to form healthy psychological habits and others recognize their trial and error as a problem and always solve the problem for them, they are unable to form their own healthy psychological habits. As a result, they feel comfortable only living the way others want them to live, so they do what others tell them to do. As a result, they form the habit of being dependent on others. Once you have developed this habit of dependency, you are not only dependent on your caregivers, but on everyone else in your life. This can lead to a lifetime of struggle without developing self-directed relational habits, emotional habits, and thinking habits. In order to correct dependency habits in children and adolescents, caregivers need to understand the rights of children and adolescents to be kept safe and to form healthy psychological habits, and to apply the right parenting methods to help children and adolescents form healthy psychological habits. In particular, when addressing psychological habits in children and adolescents, as well as in adults, self-help methods that do not involve psychological counseling are necessary because psychological counseling can aggravate psychological habits. By applying the right parenting method or self-help method, children and adolescents will form their own healthy relational habits, emotional habits, and thinking habits, while preventing or eliminating dependency habits. They will also form their own stress healing habits, wound treating habits, and problem-solving habits. Korean Institute of Psychoeducation helps children and adolescents form healthy psychological habits by providing mother therapy, father therapy, and self-help programs such as Youth Mind Training and KIP Mind Training.